Hello guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss OCR, Optical Character Recognition. What is OCR, why is it important and how does OCR work? And then we will discuss some libraries that can help us to perform OCR operations. So first of all, discuss what is OCR. So OCR is optical character recognition. So it's the process that convert an image of a text into a machine readable text format. For example, if you scan a form, your computer save the scan as an image file and simply convert that image into the text editor so you can edit, search or count the words in the image file. Next is, why is OCR important? Most business workflows involve receiving information from the print media, either in paper forms, invoices, scanned legal documents, printed contracts. So all these involve print media. So using OCR, we can digitize these things and it will increase the speed, it will increase the business workflow and reduce the hectic job to to manage the printing media. Now we'll discuss how does OCR work. First of all, image acquisition. A scanner read document and convert them to binary data. The OCR software analyze the scan image and classify the light areas as a background and dark area as a text. Next step is second process is pre-processing. OCR software first clean the image, remove error to prepare it for reading. There are some cleaning technique like de-skewing, despeckling, cleaning up boxes, script recognition. So let's discuss each one by one. Number one, de-skewing. De-skewing the scan document slightly to fix the alignment issues. Number two, despeckling. Despeckling or removing any digital image spot or smoothing the edges of a text images. Number third, cleaning up boxes and lines in the image. And number four, script recognition for multi-language OCR technology. Next step is text recognition, third step. Two main type of OCR algorithms that use for text recognition are called pattern matching and feature extraction. So let's discuss first pattern matching. Pattern matching work by isolating a character image called a glyph and comparing it with similar stored glyph. Pattern recognition work only if the stored glyph has similar font and scale to input glyph. This method works well with scanned images of documents that have been typed in a known font. Next, discuss then what is the difference between feature extraction. In feature extraction, break down or decompose the glyphs into features such as lines, closed loop, line direction and line intersection. It then uses these features to find the best match or the nearest neighbor among its various stored glyphs. Last one is post pre-processing. Post processing is, you can say, after analysis the system converts the extracted data into computerized file. Some OCR system can create annotated PDF file that include both the before and after the version of a scan document. So that's it for today. Today we discuss what is OCR, what are the different components of OCR, but in the next video we will discuss the libraries that can help us to perform the OCR operation. So that's it for today. If you like my video, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Let's meet another video. Bye bye.